Well, hello guys, welcome to the channel and I'm wishing you all the very best for Memorial Day. Today this project is very simple. I'm going to put on this Showchrome Accessories triple tree cover and it is going to go right here. Excuse me moving the bike. Oh, excuse me moving the camera. Right where you would expect to find a triple tree. So we're going to put this over that. Now there's nothing wrong with this at all. In fact, it's for its age, this is a 2003, it's actually in pretty good condition. I expected it to be a bit more pitted than it actually is, and the risers are in good shape too. So I'm really just going to set this on here just for bling, I guess is probably the best way to describe it. So of course I've got the tent covered, so I'm going to take off the two risers. Well, I'm going to take off the risers and undo the two bolts that are under here, which are 10mm Allen bolts, and drop the riser off and the handlebars, set this on and put the risers back on. So I'm going to get some tools that I need and I'll be back in a minute. Right, so I've got the cover laid out here and there's a little backer there, and if you can see that, it's just, I'm sure it's just to stop it from hitting and making a noise. So that's going to be stuck onto here, and you have to excuse my hands, by the way. I had a little altercation with some poison ivy while I'm fishing, and it's on my legs too, and I'm really not enjoying it. So this is going to be a above and beyond kind of video. I hope you appreciate it. Give me a like just for that, would you? I have been using rubber gloves, but it's really tricky to do that while you're messing around with this stuff here. So I'm going to put this, let's hope I can do it. I think it has to be close, I guess. Right up there. Come on. There. There. Yeah, a few air bubbles there, but no biggie. It's never going to be seen. So yeah, that will stop that from like hitting and tapping on the triple tree, which, as you bike owners know, you hear that one little noise and suddenly you're going to strip the whole thing down. So that's a good thing. Right, so I've got an H10 bit here. One of these fellows, and under here. I'm doing it. It is about 90 degrees in the garage right now, and whew, a little sweltery. Finally. This is going to let go once that second bolt's out, so I'd say be ready. Just make sure everything goes back and sits nicely. We don't want anything sliding. So yeah, there we go. Now, being Mr. Picky, I'm going to take some aluminum cleaner and just clean up that oxidation there. In 2 weeks I'm going to lacrosse with my son, Bugman Barbecue. We're going to do another competition, and weather permitting, and it's going to have to be seriously bad to stop me. I'm going to ride up, just bought a new tent, one that you can actually put the bike in if you so desire. I don't know if I'm particularly bothered about that. That just adds an extra room to sit in at night. But I'm looking forward to trying that out, and I don't have any real way of testing it before I go. So I'm hoping it's going to come together on the day. Right, we're going to set this on. It really does go on that easy. It's, as I said, it's Showchrome Accessories. Their stuff is extremely well made, very precise, and here we go, it's sitting right on there. As you can see, it matches the bucket nicely, headlight bucket. I'm going to zoom in a bit here. There. I think that looks pretty good. Put everything back together and that's the end of the job. I'm one of those I polish as I go types, because it's easier to get into these little nooks and crannies while it's apart. And this is well soaked with Maguire's aluminum brightener polish, or chrome polish. Actually, it's not just aluminum, it's chrome polish. Now the fun part, getting this back together. Ooh, it's a toasty one. There we go, there's one. There we go. I'm not going to over tighten this because I don't want to flex that. Well, I mean, I say over tight, it's got to be tighter. We don't want those puppies coming off when you're riding, of course. And I don't know what the torque spec is, so I'm going to look that up and talk it. No point in videoing that. Good snug. I don't think it's going to matter if you overdo this. Rather that than underdo it. There you go. Showchrome Accessories triple tree cover there installed. I think it looks kind of nice. Really easy job. Took me 5 minutes, maybe 6. Hope you enjoyed the little video and have yourselves a wonderful day. God bless our servicemen and women.